is David Schreier. I am a robotic surgeon at West Hills Hospital in the West Valley. And I'm making a series of films to show about the difference between an open inguinal hernia repair and a robotic inguinal hernia repair. And I'm going to use some objects that will make it a little bit less scary for some people who are afraid to see the real thing. I will also have on our website the real surgery, so if you're interested you can look and see what those operations look like from the inside. But for now, I'm just going to use some fruit and a pumpkin to help us out. I have here a DaVinci robot and some other instruments that I'm going to use to kind of demonstrate the difference. First off, in order to create working space for an inguinal hernia repair, you have to put in gas into the abdominal cavity. So, for instance, if I take this banana here, there's not much space between the peel and the banana on the inside. Now, in this instance, if I take a needle, this is how we do it in people. You take a needle and you insert it through the skin carefully, and then by putting it through the skin, you can pump air in there. Now, in a banana, that doesn't quite work so well, because what happens is I put it in here, if I take this out, I'll open the peel for you to see. You can see right here is a hole where the needle went into. So you have to make a space between the actual peel and what's inside. So when you do that, you can get inside and see what you need to do. Pumpkin. And then the pumpkin, as you know, when you carve it, you got working space inside there. Sometimes what we do is we have what's called an optical trocar. A TV camera can fit through the top, show us what's going on, and then we can actually look under direct vision as that goes inside the abdomen by pulling the muscle away, and it goes inside there. We know the pumpkin's hollow, so I'm going to have working space inside here. If I take this out now, I can actually put, this is a DaVinci cannula, this goes with a DaVinci robot, and it's set to mount with the machine, which helps me do the operation. So I'm going to put this inside here, and then we're going to take a look inside. Okay, so we have the first port with trocar in. And so next what we do is we connect it to the robot. Like that.
Install the endoscope for targeting.
No problem. Let's see how it goes. That's pretty cool, that stuff inside here. We can kind of work around it. Now that's pretty neat. Nobody really sees the inside of a pumpkin when we do the surgery.
Targeting complete. Stop the remaining arm.
So now, let's be used. I need 3 arms basically for hernia repair. People have 3 incisions, one at their belly button and one on either side. So I'll go ahead and put these other 2 trocars in, and we'll connect it to the machine. And then what we'll do is we'll get the instruments and put it inside there.